Hello guys! Today I will show you how to solve common DLL errors that will appear when you try to launch a game. Sometimes errors like dx3, dx9, DLL not found, or xinput1.dll not found might pop up. Here I have two games showing this errors, but don't worry, this fix will work for all games. This error usually occurs because Essentials drivers needed to run the games aren't installed on your device. Let's work through the stage to solve any game launching DLL errors. So first, download the driver file linked in the video description. Install all the drivers included in the file. After that, you should be able to launch your game without any issues. If this fix worked for you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content, and if it still doesn't work, feel free to leave a comment and describe your situation. I will make sure to provide a solution.